Let's install some baseboards. I like to mark the pieces in place. This is more accurate than measuring the length and then measuring the baseboard. The first piece has square cuts on both ends. I'm using these 2-inch 18 gauge nails. You could use 16 gauge or even 15 gauge if you're working with a thicker baseboard. I've coped the end where the pieces will meet before I mark the length. Now that I have it cut to length, I'll just pop that guy right into place and give it a little taparooski because she's a little snug. For the shoe mold, I put a 45-degree miter in the corner and a 15-degree miter where it meets the door casing. And just like the baseboards, I'll mark it in place. If you're working in an area that will have carpet, typically we space the trim from the subfloor using scrap pieces of baseboard. So here we go, second verse, same as the first. Got that cope for that inside miter. Here where the baseboard ends at the stairs, I do a 45-degree outside miter. I return it to the wall with this adorable little piece. There's many ways to terminate it, but I think this is more better. I like to use the word terminate sometimes because it makes me feel like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Don't forget to glue her in there real good. Now we'll do an outside miter. Very similar process where I mark my pieces in place and cut a 45-degree miter at the corner. Now sometimes these corners aren't a perfect 90 degrees and you may need to cut 46 or 47 degrees in order for your pieces to meet nice and sharp. Don't forget to glue those miters. Alright, so just like I did before, I got 15-degree miter at the door and I got 45 degrees at the outside corner. Thanks for watching. And if you need help with coping miters or finding studs, go ahead and watch these videos.